Hi, Pre-K families. I am Debbie Miller. I am a teacher at the Maymont Preschool Center, and this week I'm talking to you about math and computation for RPS at home. First, you'll need some recycling. I made this super high-tech adding machine out of a pizza box and some masking tape, painter's tape, whatever kind of tape you do. The kind of tape does not matter. You don't even need to have this painter's tape. You could just use a marker to make an addition and an equals symbol. And then other than that, I added some things that you could download and print off, like a number line could be handy to use with your kids with this. Or you could use, I added some number cards you could print off and cut out. A dice could be helpful. A spinner, you could use this like a spinner from like Chutes and Ladders. You can really make it your own. But if you don't have any of that stuff, you still have this because you're on that website and it's down below. So the first thing you would do is spin a number, roll a number, pick a number, and then count out that number. Put it, oh, what was that? That was 1. Okay, how about 4? Take 4 of something. Here's some Legos. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a cool pen and write it down as you go. 4 plus, I'm going to pull another number, 1. 4 plus 1. I'm going to put that through the other tube, and then my sum, or the total of the equation, is going to be in the bottom of the box, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's that simple. I forgot to give a shout out to room 114. Miss you guys. Now, parents, if you'd like to see an actual 4- and 5-year-old do this, she's 5 now. But here she is. All right. Okay, first you will pick a number. What's that? That's your dice. Do you want to do the dice or you want to do the numbers? You want to pick a number? Okay. She has picked the number. Show them. She has picked the number 5.
And I am 5.
And you are 5. All right. So now pick the 5 Legos and put it through the first tube.
4. That's 1. 5.
All right. Let's see.
1.
Drop 1. 2. I like how you're counting and saying the numbers as you go. 5. Okay. And I'd like to write it down as we go. So that is 5. Those 5 Legos. 5 plus what? Pick another number.
I'm going to put that.
Okay. She's going to put that one back in. Go ahead. Oh, 4. All right. That was not what she was expecting. 5 plus 4. Right,
I was expecting 5.
you were expecting 5. All right. Now 5 plus 4.
Oh, it was like on top of 1.
Well, we'll be ready for the next time. All right. Pick 4 Legos. Do 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 do. All right, let's count them in. Put them in. She's recounting her first group. 1. Okay. Oh, dropped another one. And the computer cord. That's okay. You know. We're at home. We have lots of things to be thankful for. Do you hear her whispering? She's counting to herself. 9. Okay. She says 4. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Matilda, would you like to write the 9? Let's see how you do. Here's the pen. Okay. In the equation, that is the sum.
I do not see it.
You don't know how to write 9? Okay, we'll find it on the number line or the number cards. Do you see it on the number line? You can count up to 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 1, 2. Oh, all the way to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, let's see that number 9. Ooh, she started with a circle.
I'm not.
And she's going to draw a line straight down. Good looking 9, Matilda. All right, thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Hope you have fun with your super high-tech addition machine.
And look on the back.
Look on the back. We had that delicious pizza the other night. Okay, bye.